Hi, and welcome. This video is one of a series to get you acquainted with the new Panasonic 2-in-1 Convection Steam Oven. It's intended to highlight some key points about the unique steam settings, but remember to always keep your owner's manual nearby to learn about the oven's many other features, as well as important safety instructions. But right now, to get started with steam cooking, you must ensure your water tank is full. Now place food in the metal tray and position it on the top rack. Close the door and press select to scroll through options until Steam High or Steam Medium appears on the display window. Note that the maximum time for Steam Medium is 60 minutes and the maximum for Steam High is 30 minutes. Also, when using Steam High for cooking, ensure your cooking container is heat resistant above 130 degrees Celsius. Press the Set button, then the left or right Select button to program the timer. Press Start to begin steam cooking as the timer counts down on the display window. And there you have the basic steps for steam cooking with Panasonic. But wait, there's much more you can do with Panasonic's Convection Steam Oven. There's a special stew setting for thick soups and stews and vegetables with long cooking times. It uses convection and steam for great results, and it's as easy as you might expect. Similar to initiating the steam cooking mode, make sure the water tank is full before you place your food in the metal tray and on top of the wire rack. Press Select until stew appears on the display window. Press the Set button, then the left or right Select button to program the timer. Once you press Start, you're underway as the timer counts down on the display window. Your settings also let you add steam to convection for fluffier pastries and juicier meats. As usual, begin with Select. You can choose steam convection with or without a preheat setting. If you choose to preheat, press Set, then Select to choose the desired temperature. Then press Start to commence preheating. If you decide to change the desired temperature during preheating, press one of the two select buttons, left or right, for lower or higher. When preheating is complete, the oven will beep 3 times and a check mark will appear on the display window. Note that if you choose to change the remaining cook time after the timer starts, simply press the left or right select button to subtract or add time in 1-minute increments, up to 10 minutes. If you choose to convection steam cook without preheating, put your food in the oven first, then press one of the 2 select buttons until Steam Convection without preheat appears on the display window. As before, press the Set button, then program the desired temperature by using the left or right select button for lower or higher before pressing Set. Next, program your time by pressing Select again until the desired cooking time appears on the display window. Then press Start to begin the cooking cycle, up to 60 minutes. And here's a bonus, you can even give any dish a steam shot during basic convection mode, or during fermentation of dough for bread, pizza, or pastry. That's just a few of the ways you can enjoy your Panasonic Convection Steam Oven. Be sure to check your manual frequently for more tips and special instructions. Bye for now.
Panasonic.